Hello builders. Hello builders. Today is the one. Today is the one of building real AI products live. Nothing is scripted or edited. There is no video anywhere. You will see the ideas, the prompt, the coding, the bugs, the debugging, and deployment. We are starting from scratch, okay? And we'll see how far we can take today's product. Let's build. Let us build. Let's build. So we are going to use all available resources, ChatGPT, Claude, VS Code, and everything. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let me pick a window. I'm trying to share my screen actually. Okay, good. This is where we are right now. Okay, so first let's open ChatGPT. We need to brainstorm the ideas. If you don't know about ChatGPT, ChatGPT is an LLM, easy to brainstorm, design applications, and do anything possible. So now let's come to Claude. Okay, we have Claude. I think I already created a project here. 365 this build. So this is the project. We have our ChatGPT. We also have our VS Code. Let me see if VS Code is visible here. VS Code is not visible. So let me try to share my screen again. Okay, let me just enter screen. Okay. Enter screen. This is VS Code. I hope you guys can see my VS Code screen. Okay, this is my screen right now, and let's go to VS Code. This is VS Code, but first we need to discuss. Hold on. I need to monitor this stream. I need to monitor the stream. Let me just open it on my other phone here. I need to monitor the stream. Let me see. Okay. I'm monitoring the stream live now so that I'll be seeing whatever you guys says. So now the first thing we're gonna do is brainstorm the ideas. Okay. That's the first thing we'll do, is to brainstorm the idea. So now let's come to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very good at brainstorming ideas, and Claude 2 is very good. Okay, Claude 2 is very good. So hey ChatGPT, I'm actually looking for designing a product. What idea do you think we can design of the product right now? Looking at doing extensive research and look at pains that people are actually going through that we can solve with a system. We'll send this to ChatGPT. Let us open Claude. Do the same thing with Claude, the same prompt. Let's see what can actually give us a better thing. Let's wait and see how it goes. Let's wait and see. They are reading, both are reading. Okay. ChatGPT says, given everything you are building already, because I've been building system, JobWare, healthcare analytics, AI agents, and a goal of building a company, I'll avoid another crowded AI chatbot. See? Instead, I'll look for a pain that is painful enough that people pay within days, not months. Because the goal about the goal of designing this system to see how best we can able to maximize. I told you to see that we make sure that we get 100,000 at the ending of the year. Okay, so most businesses now use 5 to 10 different AI tools: ChatGPT, Claude, Gmail, Claude, everything. Nothing manage all of them together. The pain is business owners constantly ask, where is that document? Did anyone reply to that customer? What invoice haven't been paid? Who followed up? They waste hours every week. The product is an AI chief of staff. That will be the product. An AI chief of staff. Example, what happened in my business yesterday? The system replies, 4 new customers, 2 invoice overdue, sales down by 18%. John didn't respond to 3 leads. Payroll due Friday. So see, that's one. Another one is AI compliance copilot. This is huge. Small businesses constantly deal with OSHA, hyper, HR, labor laws. Most don't know what they are missing. Imagine uploading business documents. Here it says you are missing 3 required documents, or your employee handbook violates New Jersey labor law. So these are all things. You see, the third one is meeting intelligence system, not another meeting recorder. Instead, every meeting automatically becomes actions, items, task, reminder, calendar updates. So see, these are all things that GPT recommend. AI customer memory, business forget customers. Imagine every customer interaction, calls, all of these things. AI government form assistant. So let's see what Claude said. Claude is asking follow-up questions because that's what I have trained it to do. What do you actually want? What do you actually want as the buyer? You can see solo operators. You can let me just say consumers. Okay. What territory should I dig into? Money and ops, billing, finance. I can say everything. Yeah. Where where is your edge coming from? An industry I've worked in, tools I use daily? None. I don't know. So let you do its own research. But from what we've gotten here from ChatGPT, I believe there's an edge. Problems in healthcare, since you're already working with, so this is also something personal because I've been doing this. Provider revenue leak detector, upload claims, denial payment, AI identify coding mistakes, denial claims. So what do you think we can actually work on right now? So let's see. Two, decision memory. Company forget why decision were made. Imagine asking, why did we choose AWS instead of Azure 8 months ago? So if I had $0 today, I'll build this business operating intelligence. Think of it as ChatGPT for a business, not just chatting. It knows your document, customers, finance, employees, meeting, project, email, and task. Then proactively tells you here is what needs your attention today. How do I validate it before writing code? I dey spend 1 week interviewing 20 small business, but we don't have time for all of these. Okay, so let's say we do this business operating intelligence. AI chief of staff. Let's talk to ChatGPT. Okay, hey ChatGPT. I think this AI chief of staff or this AI chief of staff or the business operating intelligence. Two of these ones, uh, one of them actually makes sense. But which one, if you had to choose, which one are you going to choose and why? So we give the ball to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT actually is now doing its own thing. Let's check again and see what Claude is actually doing here. Oh, Claude reverse back. Can I just ask Claude? Hey Claude, all of the questions you're asking me, I don't need that. Just tell me what project we are to work on, okay? Don't ask me anything. You do the research yourself. Thank you. So see, the best way to get into these AI tools is talk to them as if you are talking to somebody to do something for you. Okay, you can get the best out of them. So ChatGPT is also given here. ChatGPT say if I had to bet my own money on just one, I'd choose the business operating intelligence. And I'll make AI chief of staff the first application built on top of it. Think of it like an AI chief of staff is a product. Business operating intelligence is a platform. Platforms are much harder to build, but they have much larger long-term potential. Imagine this architecture. Business operating intelligence is a platform. You have the AI chief of staff, you have the sales intelligence, you have the finance intelligence, you have the HR intelligence, customer intelligence, you have all of these. So the chief of staff becomes the conversational interface to everything else. So see, why I wouldn't build only an AI chief of staff, so they give all of the reason. Okay, most of them answer questions like summarize my email or prepare me for a meeting today. So this is good. Why has revenue dropped over the weekend? The system doesn't just need search document. It connects to Stripe, QuickBooks, CRM, Gmail, Slack, calendar, inventory, customer support, HR analytics. Then it tells you revenue decline because, so you see, that's the best way you can actually get the thing from this AI thing. Do not just give them what you want, but also ask them to reason, to do thorough research so that you can see how things are going to work out nicely for you. So they also give us the competitive advantage. Okay, let me just open something here because I actually connected my device here. Let me see. The competitive advantage is most real competitive advantage. Most companies today have data everywhere: email, Slack, Excel, CRM. So see, but none of these systems understand each other. None, I can tell you, none. So Boy's job is to create a business knowledge graph that connects them. Here is the vision I'd pursue. Imagine opening the app every morning. Instead of seeing dashboard, you see good morning. Here's what needs your attention. So this is really, 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 really good. This is really good. And I think we are going to pursue this one. Trust me, we are going to pursue this one. We are going to pursue this one. 1 minute. Let me just 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. We are going to pursue this one. Okay, let us tell ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, thank you very much. This is what we are going to build. So now let's structure it nicely. I'll be designing this system on VS Code. Claude sits inside there. So that's how we are going to design the system. So design everything, give me the spec that I will hand over to a software designer. Use all of your skills, use your software designing skills, your UI designing skill, your product management skills, use every available skills so that we can have this system designed in a way that it is unavoidable and it is very much intelligent. Okay. So it is reasoning right now. It is reasoning right now. Reasoning right now. So the AI is actually working. It's actually working right now. Okay, let's send. Yeah, it is. You see the good thing? It is actually doing some research. As you can see, it is researching everything possible to make sure that we get the best system. You see, I'm going to turn this into a full product blueprint. You see, it is giving us the blueprint right now. It is giving the blueprint. It is giving us the blueprint right now. So this is the best way to do. Allow the system to do some research for you. Then you can get the best out of it. Let me try to do some research again here and see how best we can. You see? It is ongoing. It is ongoing. Okay, it is still researching. It is still researching. Mind you, I already have my VS Code open with Claude already initialized. I have my Git repo ready. Then the system will tell us everything, all of the tools we need to work on this one. Yeah, the system can also help us to brainstorm. Oh, somebody asked, can I also use Grok to brainstorm? Yes, you can use any available AI tool to brainstorm. You can use Grok, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, but all of them has their strength and weakness. So you have to understand that they have their strength and weakness. That's something you really have to understand as you do your brainstorm. I use ChatGPT, I also use Claude to do my brainstorming, all of these. So all of them have their thing. Most of the projects I do, I use uh, Claude to brainstorm. So, but for me to get the best out of it, whatever Claude give me, I take that and give to ChatGPT. So two of them will be discussing. Okay, two of them will be discussing. So this is what as ChatGPT is working. This is what Claude says. Claude say e-voice compliance, the strongest forcing function I found. This is the rare case where the market is legally compelled to buy on a published calendar. Belgium went mandatory for all B2B in January 2026 via people. Poland, you see, and e-invoice compliance. Another one again, shadow AI visibility. Lowest pain, sharpest numbers. IBM 2026 cost of a data breach report found 68% of breach organizations had no AI governance policy in place, and security incidents involving shadow AI climbed to 43% from 20%, average of 5.39 million. So another one is hiring signal verification. Robert R. found in March 2020 that 67% of HR leaders says reviewing AI-generated application has slowed hiring, with 1 in 5 reporting delays over 2 weeks. You see, so Claude give this. This is what Claude give. But I think I love what ChatGPT give because we are working with business people for now. Okay, we are going to work with business people. Yes. Let's see what ChatGPT is saying. ChatGPT is working. If I let me first copy the first prompt ChatGPT, the first thing ChatGPT gave us and give to Claude so that Claude can actually be with us. Because I love when this AI agent, argued. You know, I love when this AI agent actually, argued. Hey Claude, this is what I got from ChatGPT and I'm loving it. You see? So we'll give Claude. So this is battle between Claude and ChatGPT. So Claude will actually look at what ChatGPT gave. From there, it also give its own advice. So two of them will be working. Okay, two of them will be working on it. Two of them will working on it. Meanwhile, let's check. Let's check views because this is one to grow the channel and also to make sure that we have an impact. Okay, so currently, let's see if we come to analytics. We come to analytics. See, the channel got 475 views in the last 28 days. We want to make sure that this goes up. Okay, this goes up. Then again, let's come to earning. The earning currently we have 199 views, 99 qualified hours. Okay, so as of today, let me pen that down because that's the goal. That's the goal. Okay, all these pens and no writings. Let me look for a very nice pen. Okay, I'm back. So we say as of today we start 03/2026. We have 199 watch hours. So this is it. So now let's check what Claude gave us. Claude says, first, what is right in it? The core observation is correct. Point solutions are commoditized and fast, and the durability value in business software is increased in core system context rather than any single workflow. The instinct that the interface should push at you rather than wait for you to is right. Now the problems. Platforms are harder to build but have larger potential is the most expensive sentence in that document. The moat is pointed the wrong way. The document says the business knowledge graph is your moat, but look at what it is, a graph of Stripe, QuickBooks, the CRM, Gmail, Slack. You don't own any of that data. You hold read only oath token that any of these vendors or the customer can revoke on a Tuesday. Meanwhile, every one of them can build the same layer from a position. The demo question is the hardest problem in the entire document, and it is presented as the easy part. Why has revenue dropped over the last 3 months? That is not retrieval. That is casual attribution. Your phase one is a thing the document told you not to build. Read it again. Gmail calendar drives like, what happened yesterday? What should I focus on today? That's the AI chief of staff. The one he just spent 400 hours explaining is crowded. So see, Gemini gave everything. Okay, so let's look at ChatGPT again. What ChatGPT give us? ChatGPT give us a document. Okay, this is the document ChatGPT gave. Initial experience is the chief of staff, everything. So let us download this document. Okay, so we have this document. Let's upload this document. We are just doing this to make sure that we are satisfied with whatever we are doing. Upload this to Claude. Say from ChatGPT. Okay, so now we have this here. We are going to upload this here. Okay, what you can do is actually, let's take it from here, upload from computer. So come to downloads. Mind you, this computer is nothing. Okay, I'm just using this computer for all of these stuffs. Let me see the name. The name of the thing is let's see, it is boy product. Yeah, it is boy product. Okay, this is it. Open. So now, hey Claude, this is the product design spec. Oh, I will not be able to send any voice note here because of the mic is being occupied. Okay, what I do always is I do this. Hey Claude, this is the product design spec. I want us to design this system. Okay, I'll be using Superbase, Vercel for hosting, and any other available tools we can use to make sure this application works. And today, ask any question you think you need to ask, and whatever you do, make sure you self-check. We'll create the Git repo. I'll give you the information. So this is it. I'm just going to copy. They won't teach you this in school, but you have to be creative. Okay, I don't like typing all the time. So I send. Okay, now they are asking me to club subscription. Okay, let me connect my account. Crazy. Authorize. Okay, they want me to sign in again. Mad. But this is what you go through as a developer. Okay, things to happen. Continue. Bam. Okay, I'm going to authorize. The page is not available right now. What is happening? Okay, let me check. Maybe. Oh man. Let's see again and see. Authorize. Copy code. Okay, continue. Okay, we are done. We are done. We are done. We are done. Okay. You can use as many agents as possible. Okay, you can use as many Claude agents as possible. Okay, so let's open this one. Let's come here and see. This is the AI build. Okay, this is the Git repo we are going to work with. So okay, asking a question. What spec recommend Python? Okay, we'll use this one. Which model provider for extraction, ranking, and briefing? Anthropic API recommended. Okay, Anthropic Claude. Claude is expensive, it's expensive, so can use Gemini. Claude and Gemini, but Gemini as the default because it is cheap. What's your Google Cloud Workspace situation right now? Nothing set up yet. Okay, we can set this one up. This is the Git repo we are going to work on. So connect to see. This is working. This one too is working. So it is trying to connect to the Git repo. Okay, let me put it down. Okay, it is down right now. Okay, I haven't created or push anything. Tell me the direction. I'll keep it up. Clone, but it has an empty repository. Yes. So this one is empty. Okay, this one is trying to create something else. Okay. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they can do. Let's see what they can do. They are still working. Let's check this second one. I run Basel integration. How should I provision? Okay. Okay. They said Vasa Marketplace recommended. I run Vasa integration at Superbase. Auto inject DB URL plus key into every virtual environment in variable and no key copy paste. I'll create it at superbase.com. Okay, I'm going to create it myself. Okay, git repo, create it, give me the URL. Okay, let me give it the git repo. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to go to Superbase to create. I have to go to Superbase to create jobostek@gmail.com. Mind you, all of these, everything is not like serious. So let me try to, okay, authorize. Okay, so we are creating a free Superbase. You can actually use Superbase for free, but that one will be personal. If you want anything serious, then you need, something. Okay. The region, you have so many regions to choose. I'm here, so it is recommended. Enable RLS. I enable this one, then I create the project. Okay, so let's see what is going on. Okay, they are trying to work on these. The Superbase project is being created. So all about these things, you vibe code. See, the project is healthy. So this is the project URL. Okay, this is the project URL. Okay, it is working. It is working. Oh, it is working. I think I need to play some cool music, right? I need to play some cool music, so at least we can at least, white vibe coding, enjoy some music too. I like reggae music, Collate rhythm. It is still working. It is still working on it. This one needs to connect. After it connects everything, then we can see how we can actually do it. It is still working. Meg, let me tell you about her. She don't believe in shooting stars. She believes in shoes and cars. Only one big spender. Baby girl apart. She profiles like a star. Fall in love, she will leave you with a scar. No, she won't surrender. Oh, no. When that feeling's done. So this is actually how we are building. So the system is right now trying to scaffold. See, this is what it's doing. Writing the setup, exact Superbase plus Google Cloud auth step for the user to perform in parallel. Write the architecture.md, scaffold nextjet 16, superbase schema, auth superbase, ingest layer, normalization, intelligent AI routing, brief generation, deploy to facet. You see, this is exactly what AI is, the system is trying to do right now. Okay, so vibe coding is, you don't need to be like super senior when it comes to coding. You just need to ask the right questions and do not just take whatever the AI gives to you. Do not just say yes. Anything they ask you, yes. Anything, yes. No. You don't need to do that. Okay? If they ask some other things, ask questions. They ask you that. That's why, like, well, as we go tomorrow, I'll give the skills.md. Mine is behaving this way because it already have a skills.md. The skills.md knows exactly how I build my own systems. Okay? So remember, the goal is we are coding systems until all of us make $100,000. It is very possible. Okay, so like keep on playing. You won't remember, and it's all for fun. So whatever questions you have, please just put it on it, because at the end of the day, we are going to create a community. Okay, this community is going to be like for all of us. It's really hot here. She's a heart killer when the deal is done. Even your name. Okay, I just see that my YouTube logo is. Let me see. Let's come to customization. Okay. Okay, this one is still showing my. When the deal is done, even your name she won't remember, and it's all for fun. Okay, I think the file is bigger. So we are going to learn so many things right here. Okay, let's see. PNG maker. Let me see. I see Fave icon maker. Okay. PNG.
Well, now for the first time in my life, my output is 10 times what it
Let's
is.
see.
I'm not exaggerating.
Do you guys have idea of, I just want to reduce the size of my size of the logo. So like, okay, let's see what our agent is doing. Let's see what our agent is doing right now. Let's see what our agent is doing right now. It is working, Agent is working. Okay, the architecture document is now accurate, building the foundation layer. So now they are trying to build the foundation layer. You see? So everything is going on nicely. So let's see. Not this one. Okay, it's Bobby's credentials. We have to give to the system. So hold on. so don't forget them. So these are keys I have to rotate later, you know. I'm going to rotate these keys. Please, but whenever you put keys in any AI agent, please, whenever you do it, make sure you rotate those keys because they are not safe in there. Okay, make sure you rotate them, change them later, please. Very important. So we're gonna put the password here. So make sure you always rotate your keys, your passwords, and everything. Okay. Maybe copy this one to get connections and all. Okay, so let's see how far this one it is still working. Now they are working on the database schema. So what we are going to do is when we give all of those information, the system can actually go to Superbase, create the tables, and create everything they need from us. Okay, so let's see what is happening right now. Trust me, at the end of the day, we are going to have a full $5 million system. This is building on the schema. Okay. She don't believe in shooting stars. She believes in shoes and cars. All around big spender, baby yellow bar. Oh no no no, when the deal is done, even your name she won't remember. It is still working, still on it. Okay, we finished one, two, three, four. We're working on the confidence level. After which we'll go to the entity resolution plus normalization into the event store. Then we'll go to the deterministic signal rule engine. Then we'll go to the brief pipeline plus home command center UI plus evidence store. We'll go to the testing, Google Auth, connect callback route, and token vault wiring. Then we'll deploy finally to Vercel. This is a long project, but trust me, we're gonna achieve this one today. Yeah. Da-na-na-na. Even your name should ring. So if somebody tell you that I just sit home and make lots of money, don't doubt. Look at us. We are just sitting here enjoying good music while coding. Is a way. So let me give you another one. In case you that I've been testing systems, okay? I've been testing systems. This is one of the best systems I've seen out there. Okay. Let's say you're hunting for jobs. There are so many systems that will tell you, okay, I'll auto apply for you. Just think of this. If you use AI to apply, don't you think the companies you're applying to, they also have AI to filter you out? That's why I wrote a paper on artificial frictional unemployment. Let me just look at the paper. Mm, this is it. Let's just chat about it really quick. Uh, Artificial frictional unemployment. Let's see what this is. Artificial frictional employment is a newly conceptualized phenomenon in which a significant portion of frictional unemployment is not due to genuine skill mismatch or labor market inefficiencies, but it is instead artificially created by outdated automated recruitment systems that misinterpret candidate competency. What it means: frictional employment normally refers to short-term unemployment when workers voluntarily change jobs or enter the labor market. In the US, high job vacancy rates and prolonged unemployment coexist, which standard labor market theory struggle to explain. So the AFU proposed that automated systems, especially legacy applicant tracking systems using deterministic keyword-based screening, reject qualified candidates at the first stage of hiring. Meaning the moment you send your application, you will just see the default, we are sorry, you are moving with another people, not because you are not qualified, but because of keyword-based screening, semantic misrepresentation, and false negative. You see, evidence from the research. These are all evidences. So the proposed solution, the paper introduced a concept, job OS, a candidate side architecture that standardize and verify human capital signals, semantically align skills across resume and job description. So this is it. Okay. The system is even being cited by NASA. Okay. So many people are using this system right now. So this is the system. This is job OS. This is job OS. You can see the system. And it has free tools. Okay. If you come to free tools, you can see resume score, recruiter 6 second view. Like recruiters, when they see your resume, they have only 6 seconds to see everything about your resume. So if your resume is not good enough, within that 6 seconds, they just reject your resume. It has the LinkedIn headline and about check. It checks your LinkedIn headline and your about section to see if actually you'll be able to stand to recruiters. Because most of these recruiters, when you apply to their companies, they go to LinkedIn to search for you. It has work authorization answer check. This one is for international students to see the questions they ask. But it has like 9 free tools. You can check all of these 9 free tools. Each one be sponsor check to check companies that actually sponsored aware jobs to know the jobs that are actually sponsoring students. These are for federal careers, federal resume readiness, because the federal has a law that your resume should not pass this amount of stuff. Yeah, the questionnaire support check, the federal resume trim tool, in case you have like a 3 or 4 page resume, this system can actually help you to trim that resume to actually meet with the federal procedures. So let's look at the resume score. Let me try to upload a resume here. So I put the resume. So this is it. Now I'm going to analyze my resume. You see, I have 79. I scored 79. It is promising. Then they say my next step, I need to strengthen this without starting all over. Clarify the RN license status. So let's try to open this resume to see. Let's come to license. You see, RN55010. So the system is asking me to clarify. Then I need to quantify impact because the recruiters want to see what impact you did from your last company or your last job. Let's say you create a data set or you analyze a data set or you create an automation that will reduce manual work to 50%. So they want to see all of those things. The enhanced professional summary. So with this, you can actually strengthen your resume in the tool for free. You don't even need to pay anything. See, do this thing without even putting your information. No email, no sign up. Understand? Hold on, guys. Let me just flow. Let me just take this call. Hold on, please. 1 minute. Hold on. Hello? Yes. Not a good time to talk. I'm on a live session. Can you come after 2 hours? Or you send me the information via my email? Yes, can you send me the information via my email? Yes, whatever I want to discuss with me, send it to my email. I will look at it and give you a reply. Yes, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Sorry, guys. People are calling. They want us to work, but we are not working. Okay, we are not working. We design systems. So this is it. So you can actually strengthen your resume here. Or let's say uh, you want to score your resume against the job description. You see, score against the job. So you click here. So now they ask you for the job description. So now we don't have a job. Let's come to LinkedIn and look for registered nurse remote. So this is one. Click on this. Let's let's take the, the job description. I paste the job description here. So now we are going to analyze the job fit. So see, we have 56 out of 100. See, 2 of 3 recognizable job skills appear in the resume text. This mentions visibility evidence. So now the system gives you the opportunity to tailor this resume in the system free of charge. You don't need to pay anything. So that's by the way, let's check our work right now. Okay, our work is still going on. Our work is still ongoing. So you see, you can actually tailor the resume here free of charge. So this is just one tool. Let's look let's look into this other tool. Okay, one good thing is you can also see H1B sponsors. You can see companies here that actually sponsors. They're here. Let's say you look at this Amazon. You click at Amazon, they'll tell you they've made 35,000 sponsored. Last Friday, 2024, H1B sponsor, yes. So you see all of their information here. See, you have so many companies here that sponsors. So many. Then the blog site too actually helps you to know the things you do. You see your resume strategy. These are all the strategies the system have in place. So I employ you to actually look at this tool. It is free. It is very, very free. Use it to your advantage and also share to people they think they need it the most. Because that's the only way we can help ourselves. You see something free that is of good use, it can actually help other people too. Let's also check our system. Okay, our system is ongoing. So as it builds, I'm coming. Let me go grab something outside really quick.
Yeah, yeah. Every day. All I think about is you. You and only you. My baby. Love you like that. All I think about is you. No one else will do. My lady. Love you like that. Yeah. You said you would never leave me. Cause I am your one and only. Baby, then why you deceive me? Treat me like that. Yeah. Oh, baby, baby, baby. The simplest things that you show me. I never leave you lonely. No, no. All I think about is you. You and only you. My baby. Love you like that. All I think about is you. No one else will do. My lady, love you like that. I'm not afraid to say I'm sorry. Not afraid to say I'm sad. But we gotta move on. Yeah. Whoa. Oh baby, why won't you let me back into paradise? Your memories forever in my life. All I think about is you. Is you and only you. My baby, love you like that. All I think about is you. No one else will you. My baby, love you like that. Yeah. You said you would never leave me. Cause I am your one and only. Baby, then why you deceive me like that? You know that I love you, my lady. Deep in my heart, please believe me. You know that I'll always be true to you. Cause all I think about is you. You and only you, my baby. Love you like that. All I think about is you, baby. No one else will do. My baby. Oh yeah. Love you like that. Love you like that. Ready to level up your Python workflows? Pytron, the only Python IDE you need, built for data, machine learning, and AI professionals. Code smarter, ship faster, with Junie, our smart coding agent, and AI tools right in your IDE. Jupyter notebooks included, for free, with powerful support for Python, SQL, Git, and anything you might need. PyCharm, feel the difference in data science, AI, and ML workflows. Get it now. Even the doctor talk right now. Yeah. Singing that one up from the heart right now. Woo. All this argument like we in a parliament. But me know your mouth is your biggest strength. All the time you want to me big top chat. Me just walk away when me walk come back. From long time like a old school. Now what we have bounce like a pro tool. So me now make one argument mash me up. Me no fool. I love you, 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 and your life. Need you in my heart forevermore. I love you, 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 and your life. Need you in my heart forevermore, forevermore. Only for years young fast. From with the high school and tears of class. Teacher said no, no, we not come to know when exam time we gear up fast. Now we living happy and loving. About you nobody can tell me nothing. Last night tried that me have been running. You want me be a bit of money because I love you, 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 I love you and girl I need you in my arms forevermore. I love you, 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 I love you and girl I need you in my arms forevermore, forevermore. All this argument like we're in a parliament. But me know your mouth is your biggest strength. All the time you want give me big tough chat. Me just walk away, then me walk come back. From long time like a old school. So what we can bounce like a cool tool. So me now make one argument mash me up. Me no fool. I love you, 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 and girl, I need you in my arms forevermore. I love you, 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 and girl, I need you in my arms forevermore, forevermore. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Baby girl, I love you. Me know say you love me We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without knowing code. This is Base 44. This is a first look at the current industry-leading AI app builder, and you wouldn't believe the kind of apps that people are creating. Smart nutrition apps, inventory trackers, onboarding tools, you name it. And if the only thing stopping me from making the app is the idea, why not build an app that gives me endless app ideas? So let's make it. Pro tip, I draft the full app spec in ChatGPT, and then I drop the prompts directly into Base 44. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me tell you about her. She don't believe in shooting stars. She believes in shooting cars. And only around big standards. Baby girl apart. She profile like a star. While in love, she will leave you with a scar. No, she won't surrender. No, 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 no. When the tears start, even your name she won't remember. And it's all for give her your heart, she'll be gone till November. Right night, sister, city lights, sister. Wanna take all them first class flights and she's a charmer.
Okay. How do you want to resolve the GitHub push? You have access to personal organization. Okay, so this is the GitHub repo we want to use. GitHub repo. This is the one. So we have all of these things. Just need to copy. Okay, it's still working. We are going to rotate this one, okay? We are going to, okay. So let us check. Okay, it has not landed yet. So one thing about building these systems, now they'll give us the system. Now you have to customize the system the way you want it. Okay. Okay. Let's say this is live here. This is the base. We can see the MVP. The MVP has been built. Okay. Okay. Let's open this. Okay. So see, this is what they give us. Sample workspace. This brief was generated by the real intelligent pipeline running over the built-in 12-person agency dataset. The same rules, scoring, and evidence handling. Four things you need to do today. This is how it's going to be to the person. See, high confidence. AMCOP is waiting on a reply. So see, give the evidence. See, Tom Bradley, checkout page still falling on mobile. So these are evidences why this rank. You give everything, draft a reply. You can draft a reply and everything. So this is a critical reply, top priorities. Okay. This is a customer. This is a commitment. Overdue. Send this QT proposal to Merida. So see, if you can actually design systems like this for businesses, they'll pay. Meaning in the morning, they don't need to go check their Stripe, their emails. So everything put together. You see, their calendar, customer needing attention has gone quiet. Commitment due, meeting requirement preparation. So see, all of this information. So let's open this one and see one branch. So this is the branch pushed 2 minutes ago. This is it, boy. So see, business operating intelligence. So everything is here. Everything is here. See? So what is holding you from designing systems? Nothing. Nothing is holding you because whatever you need is here. Okay. So let's see how the system is doing right now. You see, even the system is saying the database password is now in this chat transcript. The publishable key is fine. It is public by design and RLS constraint in it. But financial freedom at 2025 is a real credential. I'll use it and I'll rotate it in the supervised dashboard once we are set. So always make sure you rotate your keys whenever you post them in any chat transcript, please. Very important. So they're trying to fix some things here. Let's see, Gmail not connected, calendar not connected. So this is just the dashboard. You can actually create somewhere they can actually be connecting all of these. What Boy can do, Boy observes, explain, and drafts. It does not send, delete, or change anything in your connected account without your explicit approval. You see, it reads, but it cannot write without your approval, explicit approval. You see, this is today, Monday, August 3rd. See it? Your top priorities are these. Then you have customers needing attention. Like this person is moderate. He has gone quiet. No contact in either direction for 31 days. Last exchange was phase 2 kickoff timing. This is the evidence. Commitment due. Due soon deliver the revised Halicon dashboard. So you see, meeting requiring preparation. No prep for Maryland retail, quarterly business review. Meeting with Alan Cross start in 20 minutes, 20 hours, and has no agenda or linked material. So you see, so the system can actually help business people make nice decision, help them prepare without committing to many tools. You see? Okay, so let's see what the agents come with. The secret key, the starting SB, and intelli pipeline run under it. I need from you, okay, they need a secret key, which we can actually get from here. So it come to project setting, come to APIs, legacy unknown and API. So this is the key they need. Just copy it. You can also rotate this one, okay? Always make sure you rotate these ones. They need this from us. A working connection string for migration two ways, pick whichever is easier. Session puller URI. So you can also come here. Let's see. I think that one's supposed to be on database. Connect. Okay. Let's see. Direct connection. Okay. Session puller. Okay. This is its URI. So connection string. So you can just need to copy it. Done. So they need it from then on the organization repo. Repasting job technology build doesn't change anything. I check them and it is still push false. Someone with admin on that needs to go to the repo setting collaborations and team and add with right. Okay. So I need to fix this one. Let me see what the system is saying. Go to the repo, settings, collaborations and team. Settings, collaborations and teams. Okay. Okay. Farm access. And they need my key. Very important. Always make sure to activate two-factor authentication, please. Very, very important. Okay. Add. Two members in this base. Okay. Okay. So it is updating. It's updating. It's updating. Let's see. Still trying to refresh. So giving it what it wants and it is working. Okay, I think our database password is wrong. Say our database password is wrong. Okay. Okay, let's reset database password. The system is coming out nicely. Nicely. Let's see how it goes. It is raining today, you know. Okay, it is testing. Okay, so you see, because we tell the system to actually self-check itself. So as it told you, two things are broke and fixed. They broke and fixed them by themselves because we actually tell them to self-check themselves. Whatever they do, they make sure that they self-check and make sure that everything is okay. So now they said they push some things. Let's see. Yeah, which is here. See? So this is it. So this is the system. Everything is here. This is it. So let's see the next session. They said the next session right now. Uh, Live Gmail calendar drive ingest is the remaining gap between the fixture brief and a real inbox. So now how are we going to get these ones? How are we going to get them? It is working. Let's see what it's gonna give us. Okay. We'll be streaming for like an hour, so it is good. 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 Okay. Okay. So they've told us what to do. So this is what we're supposed to do. Build just now. We'll go to Google Cloud. We'll create a new project. Then we'll select it. Configure the wrong project is the usual mistake here. So go to APIs and services, libraries, enable Gmail API, Google Calendar API, Google Drive. Then click into each and press enable. Searching along, there's nothing. So these are the things we're supposed to do. So now let's click this one. So the first is create a new project. We name the project BOI. We create. Okay. The name is supposed to be. We don't guess here. So whatever we do, just take a screenshot, send to your agent. So the agent, because the agent says missing a name is one of the mistakes you do. So make sure you keep them on the loop. To see. So they are going to change it to Boy platform. Good. Instead. So meaning whatever you do, it has to correlate. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. So Boy platform. We create Boy platform. Then we'll go to APIs and services. Okay, this is API and services. So let's select the project first. This is it. Select it. Then we'll go to API and services. Then we'll go to library. Let's look for library. Then we'll enable Gmail API. Let's look for Gmail API. Select on it. Click on it. Then enable. That's the first thing. We'll enable this one. Then again, come back, search for another one. Now we'll be searching for Google Calendar. Google Calendar. Okay, Google Calendar API. Okay, this is it. Click on it. Enable. Okay. Then the next one will be Google Drive API. Google Drive API. So this is it. We also need to enable this one. Enable. Then people API. That's another one. Remember, we are going to enable 4. Okay. People API. I don't know why I'm not seeing good people. Okay, we'll take Google people. They are all people. So now, so the next is we've done the second one. We've enabled. Then the third one is auth consent screen. This is the one. We come here. Then we click external, add 5 scope in setup. Get started. Then let's tell it again. This is where we are. This is where we are. Okay, updated. Listen to this doesn't hit the same wall. Immediate next step, fill in the app, boy. Okay. Then your support email. You can choose any email. Choose this email, then click on next. Goes to the audience. Okay. Audience, choose external. Click next. Contact information. Then okay. Click next. Finish. Continue. Then create. So now want us now to create a client. Application type, web application. Okay, name client. Let's send to it again so that it understand where we are. Okay. Type is right. Fill it exactly. Name. Put the name here. Then add the URI. Put the URI there. Authorize redirect. This is where they are going to redirect you. Okay. This is for localhost. The second one is for Vassal. Okay. So whenever it is okay, you click create. So when it creates, these are the things they should send you. The client ID, paste, client ID, then the client secret. Paste. And you click OK. You can also download it as a JSON file, which I normally do in case you get lost. So we have this one moving. So that's why you need domain knowledge. You don't need to know everything, okay? But you need little things. If you want a one-on-one session, you can, ping me. We can do it one-on-one, take you through the basic. Then you can do this by yourself. Remember, we are building until we made $100,000. Okay, now the piece that turn fetch records into rows in the schema we verified. So now the system is trying to, validate all credentials. Now they are trying to work on the orchestrator. Okay. Our live stream. So proceed. Proceed. The system is still working. System is still working. Okay, so the system is ready. You just need to log in. Let's try to log in. This is the email address they give us. They use my email address, which is beautiful. This one, on the other side. Let me see. Okay, where is this one? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's try to enter and see. Beautiful. Sign in as Ibrahim Fofanah, Google Workspace, Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. Read only, but it is not connected. So now I have to connect. So open brief, can give you an open brief. 4 things you need to do today. So these are all. This is a sample, okay? Because we need to connect our own. So let's connect Google Drive. This app request is invalid. Okay, let's try to tell it here what is to be done. Got this error. Never be scared of error. Errors are part of the things we do. So when you get an error, fix it and move on. Okay, I'm trying to connect I think I've forgotten my email right now, my email password. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, give me the login URL link. Okay, let's see how it goes. It's not going. I don't know. Let me tell you that this is what is happening right now. This is what is happening. Okay. We are designing this 5 million project today. Okay. We are designing this one. Okay. Quick port number. You said. Okay. They're going to reset the port number. They have to do that. Have to do that. Okay. I think they've reset it. So let's see how it goes right now. Okay. Now it's going to work. Okay. We are in right now. We are in. Okay, let me save it for now because my computer. So, okay, we still have this error again. This error. The host change register. Oh, the host change. Man, the host change. Host. Okay. API integration callback. So it is the same. Authorize redirect URI. Authorize redirect URI. Okay. Okay. Let me refresh. Let's wait for some seconds and see. For some seconds, then let's try again. Okay, now it goes. Let me just pick my account. Oh man, same thing. We have to wait for sometimes. I'm just too rushy, you know. Okay, let's see. Let's test again. I put testers. I don't think I've added this. Now I have to go add this on the testers. That's what I have to go do. What is progress? I told you. as progress. As progress, so now we just have to add this on the testers. So audience, go to test users. So we have to go here, go to audience, then go to test users, add the test user. I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, that's safe. It is there right now. Right. Okay, so now let's test again and see if it's actually gonna work. We've just added this email on the testers. Click. You have been given access to an app that is currently being tested. No problem, because this is our own email and we can testify that it is safe. So now it is going to give it access to your email, your Google Calendar, the Drive, and everything. They will click continue. Okay, so see, it is connected. So now we are going to synchronize and see what we actually have. So the system is working. Trust me, the system is working as expected. So let's say you design short systems and present this system to business owners. This is what I have for you. Instead of you going to Slack, go to this, you have a centralized place to be actually doing all of your check-ins. So this is good. We are making progress. We are making freaking progress. See, I just click on sync, but nothing happens. But I know something is happening. But let's say user is using the system. They click on sync, nothing happened. They just stay quiet. They might think nothing is happening. So that's things we have to, enhance. But let's see how it goes. Okay, it just sync right now. It just sync. Really nice. It's really sync integration. This is way too good. Antifungal. Ooh, I don't like. So you see, you observe, I clicked twice because nothing was happening into the system, okay? So the auth flow is working end to end. So you see, the scope, Gmail read only, calendar read only, data meta read only, OpenID, so everything is read only. Because even if you write email for the person, it goes to draft, okay? So sync 300 Gmails, 31 calendar, 600 drive, and they see my instinct is right, plus the table proof that also. You see, I clicked twice because nothing was happening. So see, so that's what they are trying to solve right now. You caught a real defect, and the data proves it. Every source has two rows, 1 second apart. So this is it. Live verification from your actual account. People is 161, one internal, 160 external. Organization 110 infert from domains. Future meeting 17, of which 9 have external attendees. That one internal is a fix from earlier working on a personal Gmail. To see two things to expect, so the output isn't misleading. Commitment won't appear. That needs AI gateway API key because we've not added any AI yet. So that is it. You see, Gmail Drive. So this is it right now. What did you know? What did you know? What did you know? You see, you see. So everything is you see everything is here. You see, 7 things you need. 7 things need you today. Job where is waiting on a reply. Evidence. If you click on the evidence here, you see. Remember, we've not connected the AI, so we cannot see the evidence. But you see, customer job was waiting on a reply. Job was sent 2 messages about someone at Columbia University. Reach out now and has had no reply for 100 hours. Facebook mail is waiting on a reply. Your post insights are ready. Angel Leak is waiting on a reply. Message about onboarding. Customer need attention. Simple line. So see, these are all things we said the system is working as expected. See, system is working as expected. So let's tell the system. So we have this right now, but when I click on evidence, it shows two evidence, but the evidence is not clickable. Okay, when I click on evidence, it's not clickable. Why this rank nothing? So it's not clickable. So what is going on? You see, everything is unraveling right now. Everything is unraveling. Hmm? Maybe go to Pakayas right now. Mm-mm. Wow. So it is working on it to see. Current bill is clean, no errors, and priority card is being shipped. The browser side, so that's why it was not clicking. So we'll keep testing, checking, and see that everything worked nicely. So the initial plan will be late, but you have to make sure that you check everything. Everything must be working. You see, last synchronize is 224. If you want, you can synchronize again. But what we actually need to do is Instead of us to manually be pressing synchronize, we have to create a cron job, okay? Or the system should be checking every 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 2 minutes. We have to specify all of that because we are working on an automated system. See, why not? It was clickable and uncut reference is not defined. So the bug it didn't ask about your screenshot show Gmail not connected next to 300 of your own sync emails. Placeholder checks I never wired. So now I think okay, let's fix them all surgically. And this one you can also the Vassal build is also there. I think so. The Vassal build. Yeah, how it disconnect? How it disconnect? The Vassal build, Vassal. Okay, Vassal, let's see. It is building right now. Let me check Vassal and see. Let's see Vassal. Boy, okay, this is it. It should open. Yeah, it should open. Slash login. Okay, it has not been program. Okay, that explains it. Let's check again and see. It's not easy. It's really not easy. I would drink water or something. What's wrong with that? Hmm? Who said that? Who said the person died? Mr. Essay? What up? Let me see. Eh? Yeah, the content. Wait. Yeah, the content. Wait. No, that's Asabi the content, but not to early content. That's Asabi Nabamo Ibide. Bamo. Mr. AC, that's Asabi na AC content. They sent for me picture, ba. Screenshot last. Maybe I'm gonna post those. You hold the power button and the volume up. I did my live session. I don't live session. What you doing? So it is still working. It is still working on the repository. Still working on the repository. So let's see. Okay, we'll be sitting. Let's stretch. Let's stretch. Let's see how far it's going. We exercise as it's built. There's no excuse for you to stay healthy. Until you say, say nothing at the color. Okay. Okay, thank you. So this is 3 fixes. I did live. I did the exercise. 3 fixes, each mentioned rather than guessed. Okay. Automated senders, remove 126. Detect from RFC headers. Toolbox, the test cuts in my own fixtures. Answer what knowing, increment async, never revisit. So let's test now and see. Have the exercise. Let's think again and see. Okay, let's see the brief. Yes. It's okay. Okay, this is what I see now. Whew. So see, so far so good. We've done massively. We've done massive improvement. You see, we just have a proof of concept this morning, a document. Now we have a working system. Just that this is just the beginning. Okay, this is just the beginning. Now we just have the AI chief of staff. This is what we just have, the AI chief of staff. Then if you look at what ChatGPT was saying here from the very beginning, where is it? From the very beginning, the things you're supposed to have, you see, the trust daily intelligence. This is what we just built. Okay, with Google integration, commitment, meeting preparation, customer follow-ups, evidence, and the morning brief. This is what we've built. The second phase will be team operations, add Slack, team assignments, operating reviews, decision memory, and shared signals. This is what we are going to add next, but this will be tomorrow. And again, the phase three will be commercial intelligence, like add CRM, Stripe, QuickBooks, revenue risk, customer health, and overdue receivables. Then the fourth phase will be delegated operations, like add bounded automation, approval policies, recurring workflows, and action templates. The fifth phase will be the enterprise platform, add SSO, advanced governance, custom business ontologies, compliance certification, and data warehouse integration. You see? So this is a very big system, very big system. So the MVP is the chief of staff for founders, led businesses that connect Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive to produce a trusted daily operating brief. So this is what we are building right now. Okay. So far so good. We stop here for today. Okay. I want to tell you guys very thank you because you've been with me on this build. Okay. Thank you very much. We continue tomorrow. You know where we stop. Tomorrow we'll continue. This is something we do every day until we have systems that each can achieve like $100,000. So that's the thing. Each of these systems, trust me, cost about 5 million above. Okay. See you tomorrow. What I'll do is I'll make sure that I have a primary enough font so that you can see and join. We tried 2 hours, 33 minutes. It's not fun. That's massive building. La vista.